So in question number 9D, we have to factorize this expression 9 minus into bracket the square of x plus 1. So 9 minus the square of into bracket x plus 1. That is what we want to factorize. Now this is basic. What we have to do is to apply difference of two squares to factorize this, because we can see that the expressions are having squares. So for the 9 is 3 square minus, then we have the x plus 1 all square. So this is in the general form a square minus b square, which is giving us a plus b multiplying a minus b. Alright, so we'll use the a plus b multiply a minus b to factorize that. So when you check this, your a is 3 and then your b is the x plus 1. So a is 3, the x plus 1. So the factorized form will be what? It will be 3 plus the a, which is x plus 1, multiplying 3 minus the b, which is x plus 1. Right, so which is x plus 1. So let me clean here and write it here, x plus 1. So we have 3 plus into x plus 1 multiplying 3 minus into x plus 1. Now when we simplify this, what we have in brackets, this will be 3 plus 1, so this will give us 4 plus x, and then this side will give us 2 minus x as your final answer. Thank you. Question number 4. A function f is defined as f of x equals 3x squared minus 5x, and we want to evaluate f of minus 3. So f of minus 3 will be equal to, now where you see x in a function, you replace it with minus 3. Alright, so f of minus 3 is equal to 3 into minus 3 all square minus 5 into minus 3. Now when you simplify this is the square of minus 3. You have to be careful here. So minus 3 times minus 3 is positive 9 times 3 will give us 27. Alright, so minus 5 times minus 3 will give us positive 15. So when we add the 2, we'll get what? 42. So f of minus 3 is 42. Now the second part is that find the values of x for which f of x equals minus 3 over 4. Minus 3 over 4. Now this time you don't evaluate. This is where f of x, the entire f of x is equal to what? Minus 3 over 4. So it means that we equate f of x to, not we replace x with minus 3 over 4. No. So our f of x is 3x squared minus 5x. So it means that we have to equate the 3x squared minus 5x to minus 3 over 4. Now we have to simplify this. We multiply through by 4. 4 times 3x squared gives us 12x squared, and 12 times minus 5x gives us minus 20s, which is equal to minus 3 over 4 times 4 gives us what? Minus 3. Now when we group it, we have 12x squared minus 20x plus 3 is equal to 0. Why? Because the highest power is 2, so that is quadratic equation. So you have to solve this quadratically. So now let's look for two factors of 12 times the 3, which is 36. That when we add, we get the minus 20, but when we multiply, we get a 36 back. These two factors are negative 18 and negative 2. So we have 12x squared negative 18x minus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Our next step is that you group it. So you have 12x squared minus 18x plus minus 2x plus what? 3 is equal to 0. Okay, the next step is that we factorize. So 12 and 18, what is common is 12x squared and then 18x. It is 6x, which is common, and we have 2x inside, then minus what? 3. Alright, what is common here is negative 1. So negative outside, 2x minus 3, which is equal to 0. Alright, so we factorize. We will have 2x minus 3 multiplying 6x minus 1, which is equal to 0. So when you reach here, you take one factor, equate it to 0, and solve. Okay, so let me clean the top here. Alright, so one factor is 2x minus 3, which is equal to 0. We have 2x equals 3, divide through by 2. Your x is equal to what? 3 over 2, or 1.5. Then you take the second factor, which is this binomial, which is 6x minus 1. So 6x minus 1. So 6x minus 1 equals what? 0. So you have 6x is equal to positive 1, divided through by 6 by 6. S is equal to what? 1 over 6. 1 over 6. Therefore, the values of x for which f of x equals minus 3 over 4 are x equals 3 over 2 and then 1 over 6.